Hey there! Today is the 4th day before Christmas and we're going to be making some double chocolate chip peppermint cookies. These are one of my favorite recipes to do during the holidays. I love the taste of peppermint and chocolate. They go perfect together. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on these cookies. We're going to start with our butter and soften that up. Then add in your sugar and combine well. Add in 1 egg and mix that well. Put that aside and we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, baking soda and salt. Whisk it together. Bring back your butter mixture and add in your peppermint extract. Give it a quick mix. And then dump in your dry ingredients and combine this all well. Keep mixing it until it starts to come together. And then we're going to add in our chocolate chips to this. Place that aside and get your tray and your scoop. And then we're going to start scooping out some cookie dough. So I'm just going to scoop them all out and start baking them off. I like to add extra chocolate chips on top once I scoop them out. This is completely optional. Then place those aside. You can let them chill for a bit or bake them right away. I'm just placing them on my sheet pan. This recipe does make about a dozen. Just bake these at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And we're going to start dipping them to decorate. This is also optional. You don't need to decorate. You can just put crushed peppermint on top. So I'm dipping half of my cookie into the white chocolate, removing any excess. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some of this peppermint on there. You can also leave the peppermint chunky depending on how you want to decorate your cookies. So just dip and then sprinkle. And that's how easy it is to make these double chocolate peppermint cookies. I hope you enjoyed these cookies. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all the holiday treats I've been making, I do post on Instagram and my link is down below. If you want to stay up to date with all the videos I post on this channel, hit the subscribe button as well. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.